This is Garrett Fry, the cemetery sequence lead for 3D digital map painting, and we have here shot 1405 that we're going to do a shot brief for. So let's go ahead and take a look at this shot. It starts out low and then ends high, settles on these two trees here. What we have and what we're going to want to do with this shot is put in gravestones throughout here. You can see that we have this big kind of open space. So you want to put them in that space in a way that still looks nice with these really strong shapes. Any shot that has a really strong composition like this, these two little bookends, you'll want to make sure that you're not emphasizing these bookends, that you're placing them in a natural way. So maybe you have a gravestone out here that's breaking this side. And you can take a look at that. So maybe that will look nice and maybe it looks natural. However, it could emphasize these two bookends here. So take a look and try it. Do a bunch of different concepts for this one so that you can ensure that you have a really nice design. In addition to placing these gravestones, put a gravestone right here, in the extreme foreground, which would be really nice. And when you are doing these gravestones, they are backlit. So this one here, you can see the light is coming from this area. And so we're getting this really nice rim light that's coming down on this gravestone. So when you are doing these, it would be nice to have one of these gravestones here towards the middle to be a bit more turned so that we can see that light raking across it. That would be a really nice look. So, and you won't, it's not a good idea to place a gravestone right in the middle of that, because there again, it emphasizes these kind of two bookends and something in the middle. So whatever you put here as the focus, make sure that it is off to one side so it doesn't draw too much attention to itself. Before starting out on the shot, it's really important to familiarize yourself with the extensive photo reference in the library. It is worthwhile to do quick map painting concepts so you can start to understand what kind of photography works for what particular situation. Also, make sure you're utilizing the asset library, especially for those shots that require continuity between environments. These assets can be a huge help, and remember that every asset has high resolution photography, so if the asset is not high enough resolution when rendered, you can overlay it with photography.